doing, I'm never going to be able to pronounce this word, but I am trying to fill this ginormous pot, but if I put all dirt in there, it's just going to take up all the dirt that I have, all the compost, whatever I am using. So there is this other method used mostly for raised beds or gardens is where you put other biomatter in, and by adding some volume, you're also adding some nutrients, worm food basically. And so I went out to the park and grabbed a bunch of sticks and some wood. And this might not be enough, but these pieces, these nice big chunks, nice little bugs, already eating that. So I'm going to be adding all of this into the bottom and mixing it up so that it creates some volume, and I don't need to use all of my dirt that I just bought. So I'm going to be breaking all of this up for a little while and then fill this pot up with dirt, and then probably to about here. So this is the filled bucket. So I got to use my saw, and it's a good day. Any day I get to use my saw. And so I cut that wood down. So it's about 2/3 full with wood. Now I'm going to shake in the dirt to mix it in and sift in through the little spaces. So looking good. So now I'm just going to shake some of this dirt. Getting it down into all the little crevices. So now that I have it filled over the wood, higher than the wood, this is the little bunch of wildflowers that I had planted last year. And oh, the nasturtium, oh my gosh, I'll never be able to pronounce it. Nasturtium definitely looks great. Just came back beautifully. Also some of these little purple flowers. They're just some wildflowers for the birds and bees. So I want to plant some more of those along the rim. So let's get this guy up into this beautiful pot. So as you can see, I'm doing a bit of a layered look here. I'm going to also trim back some of these dead leaves while we're in here. Might as well get rid of some of those. Mama wasn't watering her babies outside as much as she needed to. So I've got to keep an eye on these guys a little bit more. I'm taking care of all the indoor babies. I have a few dead sticks just to pick off here. Let's see, that one's dead. Dead. That all goes right back into the compost and the worm bin. So it just all goes back into the cycle of life. Get that all trimmed up. And now, I'm not sure what to do with these guys, but I think what I'm going to do is actually take, see, I had a little extra dirt on the outside too. I'm going to actually take that one off. Get some of these extra little bits off again here. Now I'm just going to fill this with some fresh dirt because I think I had some leaky wood chips in there, or paint chips from summer. Ooh, allergies. Woo! Oh, gosh. Okay, so I'm going to snuggle that in to the back there. I'm going to have more room to plant because I think I'm going to do carrots in front here. Now that I think about that. Push it around here. So I love having this layered look. Now I have to remember that these guys are growing towards the sun, and this is going to be on the outside of the balcony. So this is going to be on the inside where I'm going to be able to tend to it. So this is going to have less access less access over here. I'll have more access on this side. There. So get that nice little layered, cascading look on this flower pot on the balcony. Super beautiful. Digging in the dirt makes you feel real good. Okay. Looks great. Beautiful. Now for a good water and to plant these little whortles. So cute. Okay, so how are we going to do this? We are going to use this random stick that I found and I'm going to make a little grid. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Oh, that little guy is kind of getting in the way. Lots of little oh, wow, lots of seeds. Okay. Oh, I might put, this is not the best idea to put multiple because they will grow. Then you'll have the little lovers carrots where they're all wrapped around each other. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I am doing, oh, did I put some in that one already? Forgot already. Doot, 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 doot. Oh, I always go too many. Now, some people might even start their seeds under a paper towel, and then once it starts to root, then they'll plant it in the dirt. So either way is good. Either way is good. So this is super exciting. So I'm going to put some water on this, probably spritz it with the mister. You know what? Just a little bit, because what always happens, it'll settle down in there after a few days. And if there are any worms left in this from the compost that I had in here, they will find their way. Also have some other worms outside that will probably find their way into here. So beautiful, beautiful cascading flower bucket with a row of carrots. That's going to be super lekker. So, beautiful cascading flower pot. Gorgeous! Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.